Welcome to the MD Moto Group channel. I'm Dr. Brian Dominguez, and today we have Engineer Mendoza and Professor Chuck, and we are getting some repairs done and going for some rides around New Mexico, just east of Albuquerque. So I'm looking forward to this, and then we're going to pack the bikes up and we will be heading off to Cabo San Lucas. Check it out. We're preparing our bikes for the second leg of our trip, which is from New Mexico down to the Baja. So we're going to do some tire changes, some other mechanical work, and then we'll be on the road.
Listen to the sound of success. Mr. Chuck, thank you. Brian, thank you.
That's two. You got two? One. There's two.
Chronicles of the Road. Don't just wash your bike, but actually look inside and take the grease, find the model number on any part, inspect that everything is in place, that all the nuts and bolts are where they are supposed to be, just like in your business. If it looks pretty outside, it may be falling apart inside. We are at Santa Fe BMW shop, and we are with Sam Serrano and Brian Dominguez.
Oh, okay. Cool.
Brian,
Hi, Deja.
why are we here?
We're here to get my bike fixed because the batteries on the alarm system had failed. It wasn't my fault.
It happens over time. It's not your fault.
Thanks.
We're here, we're in the business of fixing bikes. It's okay.
This is Sam Serrano. And Sam,
Hi there.
can you tell us why you like BMW? Because we love BMW, but tell other people why to ride a BMW.
BMW, I like BMW because I've worked on all bikes and I've never seen so many of one brand of bike, no matter what model, roll over 100,000 miles. That's truthfully that just is the spirit of riding, like what you guys are doing, long distance or even short distance. The reliability of them is really unprecedented from what I've experienced in all other motorcycles. So that's my favorite part of them for sure.
And what is your favorite route in the United States to ride?
Favorite route? Oh man, I haven't done a whole lot of traveling in my life, but I would have to say the Alpine Loop. I like riding dirt bikes, so up there in southern Colorado, up there in the mountains is really, I can go back every year and never get bored.
Awesome. Well, thank you, Sam.
You got it. Thank you.
Thank you, Brian.
beautiful up here. Cloud over there. Isn't that cute? Nice place. Nice place. So there we have it. We've got all of our repairs done. We fixed a bunch of stuff on my bike. We changed all our tires, made some adjustments. I made adjustments to my handlebars and a few other things. And now it's just a matter of getting ready to go to Cabo. So we're going to be parking the bikes for a little bit and then returning to get them because we've run out of time. So that sort of ends this leg of our trip. It's been interesting. We've got quite a bit done. Not as much as we had hoped, but quite a lot anyways. And we still have lots to do with the information and data that we've collected and the new people that we've met. So I'm really looking forward to the next leg of this thing. So if you enjoyed this, I hope you'll hit like, subscribe, and join us on the next one when that comes about.